Hey everyone, I don't know if you've seen my new Starlight colored pencils, but they are metallic and they are really cool and fun to use. So I use them in this design with, of course, on my black paper. So I have black paper in my Be Inspired project pad that's really smooth and nice to work with. There are three colors, the black, the white, and the craft. So I'm going to show you today how these pencils look on the black and the white. So I took two pieces of paper out and look at this really pretty metal tin that they come in. It's nice and slim, so it will fit in your bag easily. Has this cool mandala, and inside you have your 10 pencils. I had to count them for a minute there. They have that nice little KellyCreates on them. I just always get excited when I see that. So let's see what they look like. I'm not going to color a hand letter or anything, but you can see on this sample I colored the mermaid tail. They're quite soft and you can blend them really nicely. And then I did some faux calligraphy here and then colored that in. Okay, so let's swatch these out and you can see how they work, and I'll fast forward it so it's not too boring. So this gives you a good idea of what these colored pencils can do on both the black and the white paper. They're lots of fun for all kinds of coloring projects, whether it's stamps or cards or your art journals, your hand lettering too. So I hope you have fun with them. Thanks for watching.